Just got done putting a layer down of some hash brown patties. Then I'm coming in with a pound of sausage and just dumping that right on top there. Let's spread, ooh, that sausage smells so delicious. I'm just gonna spread that out all on top. This easy breakfast casserole, yummy. Now let's add a little bit of chilies right on top here. I'm just gonna kind of plump them right on top of this sausage and these potato hash brown patties that we have. Oh, when was the last time you had hash brown patties? Or do you like tots better or shredded? Let me know in the comments. What are your favorite kinds of hash browns? I don't really know if I have a favorite kind. I really do like to switch it up depending on what I'm making. Okay, look at that. We got all those chilies in there and that's gonna be so good. Now we're gonna put a little bit of bacon right here on top. I have some big pieces here, so I'm just gonna break them kind of up and place them all over the top of here. What kind of breakfast would it be without bacon, huh? Smells so good too, making bacon. It's messy to make, right? But it smells good. It's like, you gotta have the good with the bad. Okay, look at how great this is looking. Now I'm just gonna slide this over to the side really quick and bring these eggs in here. Here I have a dozen eggs, and you know what I'm gonna do? I am gonna add a little bit of cottage cheese to these eggs. So here, this is the secret ingredient here. We're putting about a half a cup to a cup of cottage cheese in with these eggs, and now we are going to mix these all up. Look at that. These are gonna make the eggs so creamy and so good. Have you ever tried this? If not, put it on your list of things to do because you will not be disappointed. Looking good. So let's bring our little breakfast casserole back over here and we're just gonna dump these eggs right all on top of this delicious breakfast we're making here. Oh my gosh, this is so suitable for everybody. And once it's all together, you don't even have to worry about it. Look at how nicely dozen eggs worked out perfectly. It covered the whole top. Now, how about for a little bit of cheese, where I'm going with Colby Jack today. You could use, of course, whatever kind of cheese you would like. I'm in the mood for Colby Jack and I had it in the fridge. So sometimes that's just the way you gotta do things, right? You gotta check out what you got and you gotta use what you got sometimes, huh? All right, so let's see. Fortunately, we probably have every kind of cheese there in our fridge.
Yeah. Even that cottage cheese from the cottage.
Even the... Okay, you guys, I think we're looking good here on our cheese. Let's go ahead and just sprinkle a little bit of salt here right on top. I am a fan of a salty breakfast. I know you're probably thinking, oh, high sodium. You know what? This is okay. Moderation is key. Perfect. There we go. Now, a little bit of black pepper. Go through, grind a little bit of that on top. And honestly, any other additional spices that you would like to use with this dish, you totally could. This is all I'm just gonna do, salt and pepper. I think it's really all it needs, but you could see the layers in here, and we have the meat, we have the hash browns down there. I even see some of this bacon peeking out, which is gonna be so tasty when this is all done. And now we're gonna stick it in the oven at 350. We're gonna cook it for about 30 minutes, and we'll be ready to dig into this delicious breakfast casserole. Wow, look at that, you guys. This smells so good. I can smell the bacon and the sausage. Oh my gosh. I love the bacon just kind of peeping out like there. I'm glad we kept it in kind of chunks. And I'm just gonna come right in here with my spatula and cut ourselves a great big piece right here in the front. Let's scoop that right up. Wow, that looks good. Look at how good that came out. You can see the hash browns all right there in the center. Ooh, that came out perfect. All right, what a good, easy breakfast casserole. I see all the ingredients in here. Ooh, it does seem a little bit hot still. Everything looks good and creamy, and let's blow that off. I know Erica, she's over here. She's waiting because she's hungry. So here, come over here, Erica. You can try this. You can try the first bite. All right, careful. Make sure it's not too hot. It's okay? Ooh. She says, All right, you guys, look at how good that is. This was super easy, super simple. What a great breakfast idea. Everything that you would eat for breakfast, I swear, is right in here, unless you would put anything else in it. So let us know in the comments, would you add anything to this? What is your ideal breakfast combination?
See you next time.